his house. He gave Max some water and food. Then Ben took his mom made a sign. The sign said, "Lost puppy, his name is Max." They put the sign near the park. The next day, a girl came to Ben's house. "That is my puppy," she said. "For helping Max," the girl said. Ben smiled. He felt because he helped a friend beat the egg on the grass. Duck, hen, and bird are in the garden. "I see a big round egg on the grass," says bird. "That is it not my egg," says hen. "My egg is in the nest." It is not my egg," says duck. "My egg just hatched." "It is not an egg," says Ben. "It's my rubber ball." The ant and the grasshopper.